Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So the most easiest way how you can delete any application you want is to press and hold on that application, then click on the last option, remove app. And then as you can see, I have no button to delete this application. I can only remove this application from my home screen. So if you have such problem, you need to click on the cancel button. Then you need to go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and find screen time. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down and click on the content and privacy restrictions right up here. Then you will see different options. You need to find iTunes and App Store purchases. Then in this interface, you need to click on the deleting apps option. And then in this interface, you need to change this option from don't allow to allow. So after that, you need to go back to your home screen, then press and hold on any application you want to delete, then remove app. And then as you can see, I have a red button, delete app, and now I can actually delete this application. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.